Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into the top 5 misconceptions about natural hair. If you've been on this natural hair journey, you know it comes with a lot of myths and mixed messages. So, let's set the record straight. Misconception number 1. Natural hair is unmanageable. This couldn't be further from the truth. The key to managing natural hair is understanding its unique needs. With the right products and techniques, your curls can thrive. It's all about moisture and gentle care. Number 2. Natural hair doesn't grow. Oh, it grows! Natural hair growth is just as fast as any other hair type. The trick is retaining that length. Avoiding breakage, protective styling, and regular trims will keep those inches you worked so hard for. Misconception 3. You can't use oils on natural hair. Actually, oils can be your best friend. They seal in moisture, add shine, and protect your hair from damage. Just make sure you're using the right ones, like coconut, olive, or jojoba oil. Trust me, your hair will thank you. Number 4. Natural hair is less professional. This one's a big no-no. Your hair is a part of who you are, and it can be styled in so many elegant and sophisticated ways. Twists, braids, buns, you name it. Rock your natural hair with pride, whether you're in the boardroom or on the street. And finally, misconception number 5. Straightening your natural hair means you don't love it. Let's be real, versatility is one of the best things about natural hair. You can wear it curly, straight, or in any style you choose. Straightening your hair doesn't mean you're rejecting your natural texture. It's all about having options and expressing yourself, so there you have it. The top 5 misconceptions about natural hair busted. Remember, your natural hair is beautiful, versatile, and uniquely yours. Embrace it, care for it, and most importantly, love it. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on your natural hair journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.